So guys, you're welcome once again, and in this video we are going to learn how to download GB WhatsApp. So if you don't know how to download GB WhatsApp, this is what you have to do, because GB WhatsApp is not on Play Store. Yes, GB WhatsApp is not on Play Store, but rather it's on other websites. So if you want to download it, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to move out to your phone menu. Then you search for Google Chrome. Then you tap on it. After tapping on it, what you have to do is to wait. Then you tap on the search app. Then you type in GB WhatsApp. So after typing in GB WhatsApp, you're going to see GB WhatsApp download. Then you tap on it. After that, you're going to see a lot of WhatsApp, which is GB WhatsApp over here. So what you have to do is to choose the one that you prefer to, try. So let's say if you want to use this um, Android APK is free, just tap on it to download a free APK file of GB WhatsApp. So as you can see, it's going to bring you here, or you're going to be in this section. And what you have to do next is to tap on the download APK, and the APK file size is 70.3 megabytes. So what you have to do is to tap on it. So when you tap on it, you're going to see an ad over here. When you see an ad, what you have to do is to tap on the close sign over here. Just tap on it. So when you tap on the close button, it's going to load, and this is going to pop up. So when it pop up, immediately what you have to do um, is to tap on this symbol, which is the download symbol. And you can also choose, this is a default folder. You can choose any folder that you feel like downloading the file, which is this file on it. So this means when I tap on the download, it's going to download into this folder on my file manager. So let's tap on it. So immediately tap on it, you're going to see a pop-up at the top over here. Just tap on details, and it's going to send you to your downloads, and you're going to see it downloading over here. So uh, this is GB WhatsApp, and it's downloading. So immediately after downloading, it's going to be like this. Like this file. You get me? So when it becomes like this, just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you're going to see this. Tap on just once, and after that, tap on install, and it's going to install successfully on your mobile phone. Thanks very much for watching this video. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm not going to wait for it to download. And if you have any question, just let me know in my comment section, and I'm ready to answer you. So see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platform. See you in my next one. Bye bye. Peace.